Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So students, in our previous session, we were discussing the topic that was playing Commonwealth. Okay, so in which we have discussed about the various events in Commonwealth Games, okay, that are organized, okay, and the different players or the different of those who had performed in the different events in the Commonwealth game, okay, those who had paid contribution to it as well. Okay, so in this we are going to discuss about it. Okay, so that we have discussed in our previous session, but in today's session I'm going to start with the topic that is holy places. Okay, the topic is given at page number 50, that is holy places. Okay, so all of you open your books at page number 50, that is holy places. This is the topic and this is given at page number 50. Holy places. Okay, so what we are going to discuss in this topic is, in this topic we will discuss about the various holy places in the world. Okay, दुनिया में बहुत सारे holy places हैं, मतलब holy places means like pilgrimage sites, तीर्थ स्थान, okay, of the different religion. Okay, you know there are number of religions in the world, not in our country but in the world. There are number of religions, okay, and they have every religion have their own tradition, custom. Okay, they believe in some other superpower. Okay, so just like that they also have different pilgrimage sites where they pay visit, okay, to get peace in themselves, to get the peace of mind, to keep the peace of life. Okay, so in this topic we will discuss about the various holy places or very holy sites or pilgrimage sites in the world that are being present. Okay, so the first is, okay, the heading that is given and the topic is given at page number 50, so you must open your books at page number 50, that is holy places. Okay, so the first holy place that today is given is, that is Wittenberg. So let's discuss about the first holy place that is given here. The city of Wittenberg lies on the Elbe River southwest of Berlin, Germany. In 1517, religious reformer Martin Luther challenged the ideas of the Catholic Church by nailing a list of questions called the 95 Theses, okay, on the door of the Castle Church in Wittenberg, starting a movement called the Protestant Reformation. Okay, so now we are talking about one of the holy places or the pilgrimage sites for the people of the Catholic religion. Okay, so this is a holy place for the people who follow the Catholic religion. Okay, so the city of Wittenberg lies on the Elbe River southwest of Berlin, Germany. Okay, so देखिए, the Wittenberg is the name of a city that is located in the southwest of Berlin, Germany. Okay, so now we are talking about the city. The name of the city is the Wittenberg and it is located, okay, so it is located in the southwest of Berlin. So Berlin, you must have heard the name of the Berlin. Okay, that's a city. Okay, that is also the capital of Germany. Berlin is the capital of Germany, and from there southeast of the Berlin there is a city that is known as Wittenberg in Germany. Okay, and this is the holy places for the people who follow Catholic religion. So here in 1517, religious reformer Martin Luther challenged the ideas of Catholic Church by nailing a list of questions called the 95 Theses. Okay, सो हियर तो देखिए जो एक रिलीजियस रिफॉर्मर मीन्स द पर्सन हु बॉट चेंजेस फॉर द बेटरमेंट, ओके, फॉर मतलब पॉजिटिव चेंजेस, द पर्सन हु बॉट पॉजिटिव चेंजेस इज नोन एज रिफॉर्मर. Okay, so to Martin Luther, he was a religious reformer. Okay, so he has list, he had made the list of 95 theses. Okay, sorry, he made the list of questions. So he had made a list of questions. Okay, and that list of questions is known as the 95 theses. Okay, which he नेल्ड मीन्स इसको उसमें गाड़ दिया. तो उन्होंने वो लिस्ट ऑफ दैट 95 क्वेश्चंस ही लिस्टेड दैट और नेल्ड दैट लिस्ट ऑन द वॉल्स ऑफ on the Castle Church that is in Wittenberg. Okay, and starting a movement called Protestant Reformation, and this movement, okay, so where this movement where he put nailed down the list of that 95 questions is known as the Protestant Reformation. Okay, so the city of Wittenberg that lies in Berlin. Okay, जो city of Wittenberg है वो कहाँ है? That lies in Berlin, Germany. Okay, and so that lies near the south, in the southeast of the Berlin, Germany. Okay, and here the church is there जहाँ पे जो मार्टिन लूथर किंग थे, he was a religious reformer. He nailed down the list of 95 questions in which he has questioned about the ideas of, he has questioned about the ideas of the Catholic Church. Okay, so this is the one of the holy places that is in Wittenberg. Okay, so that the places, the first place we have talking about, that is Wittenberg. Okay, that is for the Catholic church. Okay, so this is Wittenberg, W-I-T-T-E-N, Wittenberg. Okay, that is in, that's a Catholic church. That's a Catholic church. C-H-U-R-C-H. That's a Catholic church. Okay, that is a Catholic church. Chaliye, moving next to the second one. The second is the Makkah. So you must have heard about the Makkah Medina. So this is the next city, that we holy place we are talking, that is Makkah. Makkah, a city in Saudi Arabia, is the holiest of Muslim cities. Makkah is the place where Muhammad, the founder of Islam, was born and received the knowledge that was later written down in the Quran. All devout Muslims attempt a Hajj, that is known as pilgrimage, to Makkah at least once in their lifetime. No non-Muslims are allowed in Makkah. Okay, so now we are talking about the another pilgrimage or the holy place for the people who follow the Muslim religion. Okay, so this is a holy place for the Muslim religion, the people who are following the Muslim religion. So that is Makkah. Okay, so Makkah is the name of a city that is in Saudi Arabia. तो सऊदी अरेबिया में एक सिटी है, that is known as Makkah. The name of the city is Makkah. So why it is so much famous? Okay, so the reason behind it, that this Makkah is a place where Muhammad, the founder of Islam, was born. Okay, so Makkah एक जगह है जहाँ पे इस्लाम के फाउंडर, okay, that is Prophet Muhammad, जहाँ पे पैदा हुए थे. So Makkah is the place where the founder of Islam, that is Prophet Muhammad, was born. Okay, and received the knowledge that was later written down in Quran. और बाद में उन्होंने वहीं से नॉलेज गेन की थी जो कि बाद में कुरान शरीफ में लिखी गई है. ओके, ऑल डिवोट मुस्लिम्स अटेम्प्ट अ हज पिलग्रिमेज टू द मक्का एट लीस्ट वंस इन देयर लाइफ टाइम. ओके, तो जितने भी मुस्लिम डिवोटी थे उनको अपने लाइफ में एटलीस्ट एक बार हज ज़रूर करना होता है. ओके, सो दो द पीपल हु फॉलो द मुस्लिम रिलीजन दे बिलीव दैट दे नीड टू डू अ हज. हज मीन्स पिलग्रिमेज. ओके, जैसे हम क्या बोलते हैं तीर्थ यात्रा. ओके, सो दे कॉल जस्ट तीर्थ यात्रा पे, सो दे कॉल इट हज. सो दे नीड टू डू, दे वॉन्ट टू डू एक्चुअली a Hajj in their once in their lifetime. No non-Muslims are allowed in Makkah. Okay, कोई भी non-Muslim जो थे that are not allowed in the Makkah, that are not allowed in the Makkah. सो मक्का इज़ अ पिलग्रिमेज साइट. ओके, तो जो कि नॉन मुस्लिम मीन्स द पीपल हु आर नॉट फ्रॉम द मुस्लिम रिलीजन, they are not allowed to enter the Makkah Medina. Okay, only the people who follow the Muslim religion are allowed to do Hajj in Makkah. Okay, so as why this is one of the very famous pilgrimage site for the Muslims. The reason behind is because of the Hajj they do there. So because of the because the founder of Islam religion, that is Prophet Muhammad, he was born there. Okay, जो इस्लाम धर्म के जो फाउंडर हैं, that the name of the Islam, the founder of Islam धर्म is Prophet Muhammad. Okay, so he was born there. Okay, and he has given so much teachings and preaching. Okay, उन्होंने वहीं होके he has spent his whole life there only. Okay, and then he had lived there and he had gained all the knowledge while living in the Makkah only, and later on all his teachings and preachings are written in Quran Sharif. Okay, so Quran Sharif, you must be knowing it. Quran Sharif is the holy book of Muslim. Okay, just like Gita, Bhagavad Gita and Ramayana is the holy book for Hindus, Bible is for the Christians, and third is, this is the Quran Sharif, this is one of the holy book for this is the holy book of Muslims. Okay, and Guru Granth Sahib for the Sikh religion. Okay, so the Makkah is the holy places for the people who follow the Muslim religion, and the most important thing is that the people who follow the Muslim religion, they feel they need to do the Hajj once in their lifetime. Okay, and that Hajj means they need to go on Tirth Yatra, they need to go pilgrimage. Okay, so the second city is of that is Makkah, MECCA, Makkah. Okay, and that's a pilgrimage. Okay, that's actually that is a city that is for Muslim, that is Muslim pilgrimage, Muslim pilgrimage site. This is a Muslim pilgrimage site. Okay, and this is one of the holiest city for the Muslim people. Okay, ये एक सबसे पवित्र शहर है for the Muslim people. Clear? Third one, Lumbini. Okay, so the third next holy place we are talking, that is Lumbini. Now what is Lumbini? Let's talk about it. Lumbini, a grove near the southern border of modern day Nepal, is place where the founder of Buddhism, Siddhartha Gautama, was born between the 6th and the 4th centuries BCE. There are several sacred monuments located here, such as Pushkarni, the pond where Siddhartha was bathed after being born. The site is a popular place for the Buddhist pilgrimage. Okay, so now next place, the next holy place where we are talking about, that is Lumbini. Lumbini is a grove near the southern border of the modern day Nepal. So this is a place, okay, and this is a holy place for the people who follow the Buddha religion. Okay, so this is one of the, you can say, pilgrimage site for the Buddhist, the people who follow the Buddha religion. Okay, so Lumbini, a grove near the southern border of the modern day Nepal. So Lumbini is a place, okay, that is located near place that is in near the Nepal. Okay, and this is southern border of modern day Nepal. तो आजकल का जो नेपाल है उसके southern border से लगा हुआ, this is a place that is Lumbini. Is the place where the founder of the Buddhism, Siddhartha Gautama, was born between the 6th and the 4th century. Okay, and this Lumbini is a place where जो सिद्धार्थ गौतम, द फाउंडर ऑफ द भगवान बुद्ध जिनको हम बोलते हैं, सो सिद्धार्थ गौतम और भगवान लॉर्ड बुद्धा, लॉर्ड बुद्ध, ही वॉज born in at this place, that is Lumbini, which is located in the modern day Nepal. Okay, and there are several sacred monuments located here, such as Pushkarni, the pond where Siddhartha was born after being born. Okay, so at there this place that is Lumbini, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे you can find a number of sacred places there, and one of them is the Pushkarni. So Pushkarni is one of the sacred place that is located in Lumbini. So what is that Pushkarni? So Pushkarni is a pond, okay, so where when Lord Buddha was born, so he was bathed for the first time in that pond only, okay, and that pond, the name of that pond is Pushkarni. Okay, the site is a popular place of the Buddhist pilgrimage. So this Lumbini is one of the very popular site or pilgrimage site for the people of Buddhist religion, because here the founder of Buddha religion, that is Siddhartha Gautama or the Lord Buddha, was born, and the pond that is Pushkarni, okay, that is located there only, okay, where the Siddhartha Gautama was bathed for the first time after his birth. Okay, moving next. So the place is Lumbini. Lumbini. Okay, so this place is the one of the very sacred or the popular pilgrimage site for the Buddhist religion. Okay, pilgrimage. Okay, Buddhist pilgrimage site. Okay, we will write it as Buddhist pilgrimage site. So this is Buddhist pilgrimage site. Clear? So this is the third one. So these are the name of the three holy places, first three holy places that is given in your book. Moving next to the fourth one. Okay, so though that is Vatican City. So now we are talking about the next very important holy place, that is Vatican City. Okay, so what is this Vatican City? So let's read about it first. So in the Vatican City, the seats of the Roman Catholic Church is situated, the Vatican City, the seat of the Roman Catholic Church, is situated on the west bank of the Tiber River in Italy. Okay, it is world's smallest fully independent nation state. The Vatican City has its own telephone system, post office, gardens, astronomical observatory, radio station, banking system and pharmacy, as well as a contingent of Swiss guards responsible for the personal safety of the Pope since the year 1506. Now we are talking about another very holy place for the people of the Catholic religion, okay, those who follow the Catholic religion, that is the Vatican City. Okay, so as we are now talking about the Vatican City, now what is Vatican City, class? Vatican City is a city, okay, that is an independent nation in itself. Vatican City को अपने आप में ही independent nation माना जाता है. Okay, so why it is known as the one of the independent nation in itself? The reason is because here the guru, you can say, okay, or the जिनको हम गुरु बोलते हैं कि they the guru of, you can say, what is that? Okay, so guru, that is a pope. तो कैथलिक धर्म के जो गुरु हैं, that is जिनको पोप कहा जाता है, he resides in this Vatican City. Okay, and due to this Vatican City has its own telephonic system, post offices, guards, every system they have of their own. Okay, they don't depend upon the other, they no need to depend on the other cities or its nation for its any other system. So it has their own systems, okay, and that's why it has their own facilities. So that's why this is considered as one of the smallest nation in the world, that is Vatican City. Okay, so where it is situated? So the Vatican City is situated on the west bank of the Tiber River in Italy. तो इटली के टाइबर रिवर के वेस्ट में this Vatican City is located. It is the world's smallest fully independent nation, that I have already told you, that it is the world's fully independent smallest nation. Okay, the Vatican City has its own telephone system, post office, gardens, astronomical observatory, radio stations, banking system, and pharmacy, as well as a contingent of Swiss guards. So they have all these facilities of their own, just as I have told you just. Okay, and these Swiss guards, so contingent of Swiss guards, they are responsible for the personal safety of the guru of the Catholic religion, that is Pope. Okay, and these Swiss guards, they are guarding they are guarding Pope since the year 1506. Okay, so this is the another very holy place for the Catholic peoples, that is the Vatican City. This is Vatican City. Okay, and pilgrimage for, it's a pilgrimage, Catholic pilgrimage site. You can see that is Catholic pilgrimage, that is Catholic pilgrimage city, that is Catholic pilgrimage city. Okay, so these are the first four that is given in your book, the holy places. The first is Wittenberg, that is located in the Berlin, Germany. Second is Makkah, that is located in Saudi Arabia. Okay. The next is Lumbini, located on the border of Nepal, modern Nepal. Next, that is the Vatican City, located in Italy. Clear? Moving next to the fifth one. So the fifth that is given here is, okay, the fifth is the Western Wall. The fifth one is the Western Wall. The Western Wall. This is the fifth one. The Western Wall. Okay, now what is this Western Wall? The Western Wall, also called the Wailing Wall or the Kotel, in the old city of the Jerusalem, Israel, is a pilgrimage site sacred to the Jews. The Western Wall, which is a part of an earlier wall of an ancient Jewish temple, measures about 50 meter long and 20 meter high. Visitors write their petitions and the prayers on the small pieces of paper and insert these papers into the cracks between the stones. So now this is the Western Wall. Okay, and this Western Wall, it is located in the Israel. Okay, the city where it is located, that is Jerusalem. So Jerusalem is the city where this Western Wall is located, and this Western Wall is the pilgrimage site for the Jewish people. Okay, so now this is one of the sacred place of the Jews. Okay, and this Western Wall is earlier a part of ancient Jewish temple. So, and this wall, this Western Wall, this Western Wall was the part of an you can say this Western Wall earlier the part of a temple, very sacred temple of the Jewish people. Okay, and the length and the breadth of this temple is given, that is 50 meter long and 20 meter high. So this is the length and breadth of this Jewish sacred pilgrimage site. Okay, visitors write their petitions and the prayers on the small pieces of paper and insert these papers into the cracks between the walls. Okay, and the visitors who visit this Western Wall, they just write their petitions, their prayers on a piece of paper and put that small piece of paper into the cracks that are made on the wall on that Western Wall. Okay, so they believe that they are writing their prayers to the God. Okay, so while doing this, they are talking to God through their writings, that whatever they want or whatever they want to pray, so they just write it on a piece of a paper and give it to the God. Okay, so this is the Western Wall. Okay, and this Western Wall, it is a pilgrimage site for the Jewish people. Okay, This is Western Wall. I hope now you understood about this one as well. That is the Western Wall. This is one of the pilgrimage site for the Jewish people. Okay, Jewish pilgrimage place. That is Jewish. That is Jewish pilgrimage place. Okay, moving next to the sixth one, that is the Golden Temple. The next is the Golden Temple. So where is it located? So this Golden Temple is located in the Amritsar, in our India, Amritsar, Punjab, India. Okay, so the Golden Temple, also known as Sri Harmandir Sahib, is an important pilgrimage site for the Sikhs and is located in Amritsar, Punjab. The first Harmandir Sahib was built in the year 1604 by Guru Arjan Dev and the fifth Sikh Guru. The temple was destroyed several times by Afghan invaders and was finally rebuilt in marble and copper overlaid with a gold foil during the reign of Maharaja Ranjit Singh. Okay, so the Golden Temple is also known as Harmandir Sahib. Golden Temple को Harmandir Sahib भी बोला जाता है. Okay, and this was built and it was, ये बहुत बार बनाया गया. Okay, and sometimes it was mostly इसको तोड़ा गया by various foreign invaders. Okay, but at last it was built under the leadership of Maharaja Ranjit Singh. Okay, and this is one of the very important pilgrimage site for the people who follow the Sikh religion. Okay, and here there are 4 walls on the 4 sides of this Harmandir Sahib, which denotes that they are welcoming the people from all the religion. Okay, so where it is located? The Golden Temple is located in Amritsar, Punjab. So that is the 6th one. That is Golden Temple. That is Golden Temple, or we can say the Harmandir Sahib. Okay, and it is a famous pilgrimage site for the Sikh people. Okay, so this is 6th pilgrimage site. Okay, that is Golden Temple. Okay, and it was started by the construction of Harmandir Sahib was started by the 5th Guru, that is Guru Arjan Dev Ji. Okay, but later on it was destroyed by some of the Afghan invaders. Okay, and but at last under the leadership of Maharaja Ranjit Singh, it has been built with the copper overlaid with gold foil. Okay, so why it is known as Golden Temple? Because there is a layer of golden foil around all the walls of this Golden Temple. So this is why it is known as Golden Temple. Moving next to the last one, that is the Shrine of Bab. This is the 7th one, that is Shrine of Bab. Shrine of Bab. The last is the Shrine of Bab. The Shrine of Bab, located on the Mount Carmel, Haifa, Israel, is a pilgrimage site for the followers of the Baha'i faith. The shrine in this burial place of Mirza Ali Muhammad of Shiraz, popularly known as Bab, who founded the Babi religion, which later gave birth to the Baha'i faith in the 1800s. Okay, so now the Shrine of Bab, it is in another pilgrimage site for the that is located in Israel. Okay, and this is for the people who follow Bab religion. So Bab भी एक religion है. Okay, and the number of people of Bab, those who follow this Bab, is very less. Okay, so now this Bab, the Shrine of Bab, the pilgrimage site for the Bab people or the Babi religion, actually not the Babi, it's Babi religion. The pilgrimage site for the Babi religion, the Shrine of Bab is a pilgrimage site for the Babi religion. Okay, and it is located in Israel. Okay, just like that we had talked about the Western Wall. So this is another pilgrimage site that is located in Israel. Okay, and under this the Shrine of Bab, there's a burial place of ब्रिडल प्लेस ऑफ द मिर्ज़ा अली मोहम्मद ऑफ शिराज। तो जिन्होंने जिसने बाबी धर्म की स्थापना की थी, दैट हिज नेम वॉज मिर्ज़ा अली मोहम्मद शिराज। उन्हीं की जो कब्र है दैट इज़ इन दिस प्लेस। ओके, and now and this Mirza Ali Muhammad of Shiraz, that now he is popularly known as Bab. This is his popular name, that is Bab. ओके, सो इन्होंने जो बाबी धर्म की जो स्थापना की थी, ओके, बाद में जहाँ पे इनको दफनाया गया, तो उसी जगह को एक उनके लिए फेमस पिलग्रिमेज बाबी रिलीजन को फॉलो करने वाले लोगों की दैट बिकेम अ पिलग्रिमेज साइट। ओके, सो दैट इज अ पिलग्रिमेज साइट फॉर बाबी रिलीजन। Pilgrimage site for Babi religion. Okay, chaliye. So this was some of the topics from the holy places. Okay, so with this I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody have a great day.